Hey everyone, welcome back. If you have got hair dye on your hands that just won't go away, we have got a quick fix for you. In today's video, we will show you how to remove hair dye from your hands using toothpaste and baking soda. Let's jump right in.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
Grab some non-gel toothpaste with baking soda. It's the secret weapon. Squeeze some onto your fingers, then gently rub it onto the stain. You can also use a soft cloth or toothbrush. Rub for 30 to 60 seconds, wait 5 minutes and rinse with warm water. If your skin is sensitive, skip this method or be extra gentle. Toothpaste with baking soda works best for stubborn or dark dye stains. That's it. Check out more videos like that. If you like this tip, give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.